Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, rear window defroster, fog lamps, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front license plate bracket, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.